kapsat, dito tayo ngayon sa sa Soseng, sa mga structure gawa ng metal. So puntahan natin ngayon yung pinakamalaking nila, nagawa nilang metal na structure. Yan, punta tayo sa taas. So dito, lahat ng makikita nyo dito is bakal gawa sa metal. Oo, yan, structural design. So may bantay. Lahat po ito ay metal, pinagdikit-dikit lang. So mag-umpisa tayo dito sa paa niya. Ito yung paa niya. Yan. Kita yun naman, may kadena, may sprocket, parang yero. Yan. Ito lang yung paa niya, paa. So malaki to hanggang sa taas. O yan. So puntahan natin sa taas. Ayan. Makikita nyo po dito lahat ng design regarding sa transformer. So ito po yung yung body niya. Body pa lang yan. Wala pa sa ulo. Mula dito, makikita yung yan. Ito yung kamay niya. Akyat ulit tayo sa taas. Ayan. Unti-unti nang makikita sa ibaba. Maganda dito sa taas. Yan, ito na po yung kanyang ulo. May ulo ng dragon, tigre, si Voltron yata to. O yan, yung mga Optimus Prime, Bumblebee. Ito po yung pinaka rooftop nila. Pag punta mo rito sa kabila, ito naman yung makikita. Ayan. Ito yung kabuuan ng park.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got never being negative. You should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I can do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence, I'll be